Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to print speaker notes in Google Slides using your device, that is Android or iOS mobile phone. It doesn't really matter, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. Now let's get started. The thing is, the Google Slides app on iPhone or Android doesn't have a direct print with notes option, but don't worry, here's a workaround. So you can use these steps to do exactly what you want to do. Now simply open your Google Slides app. Now here you have to make sure you are logged in into your account and you have your presentation right in front of you. After that, simply open one of your presentation. Then simply tap on the three dots on the right side of your screen and click on share and export. And in here you have to choose send a copy and you have to choose the format called PDF format and send it to yourself. Simply click OK. Now it will take some time to prepare the PDF. Then you can simply send it to yourself on any app you want. Let's suppose I want to send it to Notes. Simply save. Now open that PDF in your email or files app. From here you can print it directly with your notes included. You can open your notes and here is the PDF that you just saved. From here you can print it directly with your notes included. Simply click on it and you can do this share option and scroll down, and here you will find the print option as well. You can use that, and that's it guys. That's how you can print Google Slides with speaker notes right from your iOS. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips, and comment below if you use speaker notes for classes, meetings or presentations. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.